Hi, my name is Wong Zhenbing. I'm currently 22 years old. I'm studying Bachelor of Chemical Engineering in Taylor Lakeside University campus. Um, uh, my interest is to watch the growth of chemical sector, to watch the growth in chemical sector. Yeah, and here comes my personal mission statement. My personal mission statement is that I want to work as an engineer in the food and beverage industry in Malaysia after graduation within 1 year time. I want to help Malaysia in the advancement of chemical technology in terms of production. One of my aim is to have my own business in the field of food and beverage. I hope that this can be achieved in the age of 27 to 30 years old, which is in 5 to 8 years time, where I can try to export my product out of Malaysia. And this is my personal SWOT. My strength is that I have a good leadership, I have creative idea, and I'm quite hardworking. My weakness is that I have quite a bad temper, and I get stressed out easily, and I'm quite lazy. I'm quite lazy person also. My opportunity is that I have decent money from my parents that they give me the chance to have a try, and also my parents has a wide network connection. Um, and during university time, I have more hands-on experience. I'm able to travel to far places. And the traits for me is that I'm inexperienced to engineering job scope, such as because I'm currently studying chemical engineering, but I'm not sure whether what is the job scope for chemical engineer. I'm also lack of information about the latest technology, and I have peer pressure and influence from from the people with the same age with me. And now I will talk about the PO that I have learned. There's total 12 PO that I've learned, and we will look at the connective skill first, which is the PO 1, 2, 4, and 12. Uh, Currently in PO 1, in this PO, I'm able to learn how to apply the mathematical knowledge and solve problems. As the mathematical knowledge is the foundation of solving mathematical problems such as modeling and others. Mathematical modeling is the most basic to solve every problem. So I've learned it from Maths 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is in semester 1 to 4. And these are the results that I get during semester 1 to 4 for the 4 mathematics subject. And here comes the PO2. PO2, I will take the data measurement analysis experimental design project as an example. We identify the project that we do is that we identify the rate change by using the U-Boot application, which it has different rates according to different phone model. Then we analyze the U-Boot application reliability on a total of 25 different phones by using GPS system from Taylor Lakeside to Mid Valley on the same day and same time. We use the formulation of ANOVA two-way to calculate the reliability whether the average can be accepted or not. Then we came up with a substantiated conclusion that all phones have different rates due to high deviation proven using the calculation. And this is the report that we have done during the for the subject. And in the PO4, in this PO, the foundation of modeling skill are being used. The modeling skills are being learned from the program outcome 1, which is the basic and foundation, the mathematic 1 to 4. In this PO, application in solving problems and in daily life has been applied. In the subject of chemical process control, we are applying all the basics of modeling skill into real life situation. And this is the video that we have done for this subject. After that, this is the PO12. I would like to use the managing project to success subject as an example. We learn how to manage our time to do multiple tasks efficiently in a group. In this module, we learn to use charts and table to manage the workload or task distribution. By using that technique, every member able to work on their part and distribute work evenly. This method is also able for us to done our work with the more efficient way. and this is the proposal that we have done during the subject. And here comes the next skill, which is the technical skill. This skill it covers in the program outcome 3 and 4. In program outcome 3, the engineering design innovation proposal, we propose a hanger design which is able to save the user's time with a more convenient way. As we gone through the CDIO process to get this idea and then work on it. This module able to provide us a chance to innovate new product which is able to solve problem faced by the community, which is also provide us the chance to solve complex engineering problem in real life. This is the final product. This is the final prototype that we have done, and in the end we got third place during the engineering fair. Here comes the PO5. In this PO, we are able to learn the IT tools which help us in solving engineering problems. The most useful application which help us in solving mathematical problem and generate solution in modeling is the MATLAB program. It provides the solving methods which related to IT to achieve a better result. This is the certificate that we have that prove that we have done the MATLAB program in Taylor University. So the next skill is the soft skill, which covers in program outcome 9 and 10. In PO10, the multidisciplinary engineering design has been done. We are working together with different major engineering students such as electrical and mechanical engineer. This is quite challenging when working together as everyone has their own opinions due to their own professional. It is a good opportunity to work with different discipline students, which is able to improve our communicating skill and also learn knowledge from different field. And this is the final product that we have done together with the other engineers. And here comes the next skill, which is the professional skills, which is covered in the PO 6, 7, 8, and 11. In PO 6, I would like to take the safety of process plant design as an example. We learn about the safety of the plant in this subject. Safety is important as this is one of the responsibilities which relevant to professional engineer practice. It is important to have safety precaution when building a plant. Therefore, assignment is done to evaluate the safety problems occurs in certain plants which causes accident in the plant. This is the presentation that we have done. And then in PO7, in the proposal for subject engineering design and ergonomics, in the concept part, it is explained that this design able to help the society in terms of those who are disabled. Then we brainstorm and then we come up with an idea which is able to help those blind people to reduce their hand workload by repeating the same gesture, which might cause some bone joint problem in the future. And this is the proposal that we have done. And then in the PO8, in the for the subject safety in safety of process plant design, as mentioned in PO6, safety is a very important as it involves the ethical responsibility of engineering practice. Therefore, assignment has been done given to analyze the problems in having poor safety plant design. This is the topic that we have done for the presentation. And this is all the project outcome attainment analysis for me. This is the PO score graph, and here comes the evaluation. The three lowest the graph at above shows that this tree is the lowest PO score, which is the PO2, PO4, and PO6, which is covered in cognitive skills and professional skills. And when we talk about cognitive skills first, in PO2 and PO4, I think I didn't fully utilize my skill set to complete my module. Most of the time, we learn on techniques, but less on how to do application on it. For PO2, I don't think I did a proper problem analysis until the root cause, but only at the base level, thus giving myself a lower rating, for example, module like data measurement. Other than that, in PO4, I presume myself as not investigating properly like PO2, where it is mostly at the surface for the root cause or method of conducting tests, like in chemical process control, where the experiment is to carry out by ourselves. Though we did meet the requirement of the lab, but the experiment had left out a few crucial parts that we need to consult our lab assistant. This is the evidence that we have done during the data measurement, and this is the lab report for the chemical process control subject. And then here comes the PO6, which is the third lowest PO score, and it is covered in professional skill. PO6 is more towards the reasoning informed by contextual knowledge to assess societal health, safety, legal, economical, and cultural issues, and the consequent responsibility relevant to professional engineer practice. In this PO, safety of process plant design might be one of the main issues that caused myself did well in this PO. I did not do a proper analysis for this part during the presentation, which caused me a huge problem in the group project now, where we have to design our own plan, including the safety precaution for the users. Therefore, as for the analysis part, a proper checklist will be done, as this will make things to be easier to check better. And this is the presentation that we have done during the safety subject. And that's all that's all for my e-portfolio, and thank you.